driver. All right, guys, welcome to another vlog. So I just got picked up by my friend Lawson, and his car is, I would say, what percent done? 70% done. So this is an LS1 swap 240. Do you know how much horsepower it has?
It's like right around 400, a little under.
Right around 400 horsepower. Sorry if you guys can't hear me over the drone of the engine, but literally this car has been built to be like a race car. Like, it's been gutted. It's like missing everything. It's got the steering, or the performance kind of like, what's the name for this? Is there just like a removable steering wheel? They gutted the door panels. They got these like metal kind of pieces of sheet metal. There's a half cage in the back. So this car's gonna be a beast. So we're gonna go for a ride and see what it's like. Is this straight piped?
Yeah, straight piped.
Just full, no resonators, cats, nothing?
Nothing.
So a V8 fully straight piped car is extremely loud, if you guys didn't know. Look at this Mustang coming up. Got the Recaro seats too. I don't know if it'll focus right there. The new Recaro seats. I'm sitting in them too. He's got a full harness right here. It's pretty awesome. So just so you guys can see that this is a true build, he's got an app on his phone that tells him how fast he's going, because his speedometer doesn't work. It'll read the RPMs, but it doesn't tell you if the car is cool or hot. Does the gas gauge work?
Gas gauge works.
The gas gauge works, but the speedometer does not work. And we have no airbags. But who needs airbags when race car? The last bit of that, but holy shit. Wow.
Quick, eh?
Yeah. It's because it's so light.
Yeah. I'm gonna go flying.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Holy shit.
That was a quick 80.
That was 80?
Yeah.
That was like a rolling launch from 10 to 80, and it was spinning. The tires were spinning the entire first gear.
That was in second too.
That was in second gear. That was in second gear the tires were spinning. How much would you say this car weighs? Like 1,500 pounds?
Nah, like 27.
2,700.
Yeah.
Still like extremely light.
Yeah.
Especially to put a V8 in this tiny little car. It's insane. right, so just for your guys's, step away from the exhaust, just for your guys' knowledge, this is a 240 swapped with an LS1 engine. I just did a little walk around for you guys, but basically this whole car is going to be like a drift slash race car, and it's going to get wrapped. They're going to put new wheels. They're going to put new tires, new wheels. I think they're going to put 325s in the back because they got the wide body on it. So right now everything's getting test fitted, so that's why there's nothing on there, and it looks kind of weird, like, you know, when you skip leg day or something like that. But yeah, I wanted to give you guys a little preview of the project car that my buddy Lawson's working on, because you guys are gonna be seeing a lot of it on the channel, because I think we're gonna be doing some cool stuff with maybe drifting, racing it, and I will be revealing the new project that I'm working on. So this is gonna be involved with that project. So yeah, I wanted to give you guys a little preview, but yeah, this car's crazy. It's super light, super small, and it's got a V8 in it, and it's fully straight pipe, so what more can you want? So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one.